In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos with Gemini. We'll go from a blank idea to a finished export using a simple, repeatable process that keeps you focused on storytelling, not guesswork. Start by opening Gemini. Think of it as your creative partner for planning and writing. In the chat box, type a clear prompt like, "Create a video script about," and add helpful details such as your audience, tone, and approximate length. For example, you might say it's for beginners, friendly in tone, and around 1 to 2 minutes. The more context you provide here, the better the script Gemini will generate for you. Once you have a draft, ask for structure that's easy to film by requesting a storyboard. Type, "Turn this into a scene-by-scene storyboard." This breaks the script into visual moments, opening hook, key points, transitions, and closing, so you know exactly what to show on screen at each moment. It also helps you plan B-roll, on-screen text, and pacing before you start editing. We'll be using Gemini alongside your video tools. You don't need a fancy integration. Copy and paste works perfectly. The goal is to let Gemini handle the writing and organization, while your editor handles visuals, voice, and music. Generate the script in Gemini and review it carefully. Make small refinements to match your voice. Adjust the hook, tighten transitions, and make sure the call to action is clear. If a section feels long, ask Gemini to shorten it or suggest alternatives. When it feels right, you're ready to move on. Copy the output directly from Gemini. Grab both the script and the scene-by-scene storyboard since you'll reference them throughout editing. We'll open your video editor. CapCut, Canva, or Premiere all work well, and paste the script into a notes panel, captions track, or a separate document you keep on screen. Use the storyboard to line up your timeline. Create a sequence of scenes that match Gemini's structure. Now add visuals, voice, and music. Record a voiceover that follows the script, or use your editor's text-to-speech if available. Layer in footage and B-roll that illustrate each scene. Add titles that echo key phrases, and choose royalty-free music that supports the mood without overpowering your voice. Keep the voice clear and upfront, and lower music during dialogue for a balanced mix. Finally, export your video. Choose a resolution that fits your platform. 1080p is a solid default, and let it render. That's it. You've gone from prompt to polished export using Gemini, with a workflow you can use again and again.